It's that time of year again, Lunar New Year 2026, which falls on Tuesday, February 17th this year and lasts 16 days until the Lantern Festival on March 3rd. After wrapping up 2025's Year of the Snake, we're moving into the Year of the Horse. Hey guys, if there's one thing I love about Bangkok is it loves a celebration, and it's Chinese New Year, the Year of the Horse. So let's go check out all the decorations around town. They're so cool. You'll see so many dragons every Chinese New Year because they stand for supreme power, good fortune, prosperity, and strength. Dragons are also mythical creatures associated with rain and agriculture, so they're thought to bring a bountiful harvest and a new year full of prosperity, safety, and luck. Each year brings a new animal, which is one of the 12 animals of the Chinese zodiac, which are rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat or sheep, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. According to Chinese astrology, horse people are confident, agreeable, and responsible, although they also tend to dislike being reined in by others. But why does Thailand celebrate Chinese New Year? The country has a large ethnic Chinese population, deep historical integration, and shared cultural ties. Chinese New Year is a time for family reunions, honoring ancestors, and boosting tourism. Horse people's strengths are they are enthusiastic and candid, appearing as a hero to many when they decide to take up a good cause and do battle on behalf of the underprivileged with passion. They are widely liked for their natural sociability and openness, as well as their courage and passion. Weaknesses include a penchant to give up halfway through tasks or challenges when their quick passion runs out of steam. It's not that they fear failure, but they can get bored easily, which applies to work and to love. They can also be vain and self-glorifying, prone to seeking attention and applause. Okay, I tried really hard not to laugh through a lot of that because I was born during the Year of the Horse, and a lot of those things definitely fit me. But I'll just say I'm definitely interested to see what this year holds for me. How about you? What are you excited about this year? And sometimes on a random Wednesday afternoon during this time of year, you'll find dancing. Traditional Chinese New Year dances include the elegant fan dance, ribbon dance, and the vibrant lantern dance, which symbolizes joy, beauty, and good fortune. Thanks to ChineseNewYear.net for all the information on this zodiac year.